All right, guys, I'm back with another video, another banger. We're only gonna be filming bangers here from now on, so hopefully you guys enjoy the bangers that I do make for you guys because this is what I like on my channel. This is what I feel like works best on my channel. So if you do like this, make sure you like the video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more content because I will have more content and everything like that. So I thank you guys for watching. I appreciate my subscribers. I really want you guys to know that. But in today's video, we are going to go in depth with straight hair waivers. I get so many questions about straight hair waivers, and being that I am more of a medium hair texture waiver, I don't really get on topic on straight hair waivers. So I really want to make a video for you guys. I do have people who are straight hair waivers on my channel, and I want to make sure I address the questions that you do have. And the main question that I get is, can you get waves if you're Mexican? Can you get 180 waves if you're Mexican? How to get waves if you're 180 waves if you're Mexican? What products and everything like that. So if you're looking at my video, you've probably seen like the brush that I have. So we are going to the products. So the products that I'm gonna recommend is a soft brush. That was an anti-soft brush. And then also you can use this. This is a good product if you're a straight hair waiver. You know, I did my research on this and I understand like how your hair works, like if you're Mexican or if you're you know, of a different nationality. And really what you want to do is focus more on creams than grease. You know what I'm saying? Like you want to focus more on that because your hair is straighter. So with straighter hair, it takes a minute for it to curl. And sometimes with grease or heavier products, like if the product is not light, it'll make your hair super thick and you'll have to wash it out the next day because it's just too much of a build up a product. So you can try that. You can try, I think it's his mix. That's like the Form of Mix Chicks. Is really good. It's a leave-in conditioner. I also recommend this Cantu leave-in conditioner repair cream. That also works for straight hair waivers, but make sure you keep the top on it though, because it'll kind of clump up. So it depends. If your hair is super straight though, you kind of got to test it out. But this can be thicker if you let it dry out, but when it's new, like when you first get it, it's more of like a lotion consistency. But you know, that's a good product too, so check that out. Like a leave-in conditioner, a cream, like you can apply so your hair doesn't dry out, or you can get moisture, but you don't have to apply a lot of it on there. So that's just something if you're having issues like with it curling, or if you're having issues with it's just not giving you that definition. So that's something to give out. I mean, that's something to try, and then you know you'll wear Durag. So now for the washing products that I recommend for that, I would say you would want to do a natural product. You don't have to, you know, not everyone is going to be able to get natural shampoos and conditioners because they are pretty expensive. But if you do, you should, you know, try Shea Moisture. You can do a Shea Moisture. You can do either high porosity or low porosity. High porosity is basically depending on your specific hair texture, so you have to figure that out. But if your hair is really straight, if it's like pin straight, you know, you may have some issues, but you know, you want to keep woofing on that. So, but yeah, I just recommend, you know, Shea Moisture. What is that? A high porosity shampoo. That's gonna give you moisture. That's not gonna dry your hair out, and you won't have to keep putting in product. Like keep putting like loads of product. You know what I'm saying? So that, and then also have the Restorative Mask Conditioner. I'm a medium hair texture waiver, but you know the products, some products are universal, and I recommend that for retaining moisture in your hair. So definitely check that out. That's the Restorative Conditioner. That's something you want to really try to get, is just natural products. That's going to help you out a ton. So the next is Old Faithful. Whether if you're a coarse hair waiver, whether you're a medium hair waiver, whatever you are, you need the gold one. I've only shown y'all the gold one other than like maybe 2 or 3 times in my videos. And those are like my older videos. But the gold one, it's the only thing I use. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get the gold sporting waves. If if you watch my videos, that's just something unique. That's off top. That's just what you gotta get that. That's just simple. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Illuminati. That's simple. That's all you need. So I'm gonna show you too. I'm gonna show you this is what medium hair texture uses in coarse hair. Not saying you can't use it, but it's going to clump up your hair. Like if you notice that you can't go too long without washing your hair gets really like build up a product. You know, you don't want to use a grease. You can use an oil. Oil is better than a grease for a straight hair waver. For what I hear, oil is a lot better for moisture. And then for your do-rag, you know what I'm saying, I would say you want to get a silky. You know what I'm saying? Silky, I don't go too crazy with, all these like different types. Start off with a silky, especially if you're a beginner. That's going to help you out a lot. The silky is just consistent. I know how it works. It lays your hair down and everything like that. So that's something to look out for. And that's something that you just need. Even if you have different types, that's just something you need. Another tip that I can give you guys too is you can try Biotin. So if your hair grows kind of slow, or you're just not noticing like so much progress and you're wolfing, to help you out with your wolf, you can get Biotin. That's going to give you pretty much a better quality hair. Is going to be a more natural hair quality. Like I'm trying to see how I want to word this. Just you're gonna notice your hair quality is gonna change because you're working on from the inside. You know what I'm saying? You ingest biotin and then it works. So try that out. That makes sense. Hopefully that I cleared that up a little bit. Hopefully. But yeah, I'm just giving you recommendations of what you should look forward to getting. And then next thing you want to do is you have to brush. With that being said, if you're a straight hair waver, you have to wolf for an extremely long time. Like your progress with 180 waves and wolfing, you gotta grow your hair. I would say if you're looking to get really good progress and stay up to date with it, I would say at least 8 to 10 weeks. No less than that, because you gotta give your hair used to a wave pattern, and sometimes it's not really too easy. So you just want to, you just got to grow it. You can't cut your hair too early, too soon. You got to give it time. So that's important. So also combing is very important for you guys. You want to make sure you get a good comb. You want to make sure you are consistent too. I feel like I get a lot of questions too about losing progress on your 180 waves if you're a straight hair waver, because if you don't do this daily, like if you don't comb, brush, get a good session in daily, your progress will go away if you're a straight hair waver, because your hair is just so easily being manipulated. Like if you move a certain way, your hair will move. So just be mindful that you have to be consistent. There's no slacking if you're a straight hair waver, man. I'm just telling you that it's just how it is for you guys. But you got to understand, though, when you do progress and when you do get better with your 180 waves, your hair texture is going to take you, further in a sense, because you're going to have a more defined look. You're going to have more definition. And yeah, so just pay attention to that. Another thing too with straight hair wavers is you're gonna have a longer pattern than mine. So for me, like I probably have like 13 ripples, like if you want to call it that, even like 13 waves, if you count them, 13 like that. Some people, if you're a straight hair waver, you may have like, if your hair is like curly, you may have like 5 lines, I guess I'll say it like that, 5 lines, or you may have 3 lines, and everything like that. But if you've noticed, you went for like 10 weeks and you're not noticing any lines, your hair is too straight. You have to either keep going as long as you can. Like you can get cuts, but you got to keep wolfing. Like you can get lineups, but you got to keep working on it. So that's what I recommend for you. For you guys, you can also try a Torino Pro. I have any. I need to get another Torino Pro soft brush and everything like that. But you really just got to be consistent with your methods, man. Just be consistent. Um, don't slack. Don't slack at all, man. Just be consistent. Check out the products that I have listed for you guys, and just you got to put that work in, man. You guys got to put time in. So I just don't know what else to tell you, man. You have to grow your hair, but it is possible. It's definitely straight hair wavers out there who have 360 waves and have like amazing patterns. So the thing is just dedication. It's dedication and sticking with it. So to answer your question, it is yes, and these are some good products that I would recommend to you. Or also you can get the curl enhancing smoothie. I hear that's really good too. If you don't want to use Cantu, you can do that. So give those products a check out. I just wanted to give you guys some like knowledge on like what I recommend for you guys. But I am a medium hair waver, but I wanted to make sure I'm getting your questions addressed. So that's pretty much the end for the video. Thank you so much, and I will see you later in my next video. I'm out. Bye.